Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Blazer. This front wheel drive Blazer comes with a 3.6 liter V6 engine, your back tinted windows, black Chevy bow ties, and custom 18-inch aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have a gray cloth material seating throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front, we do have our Chevy MyLink radio, heated seating on both sides, a sport, snow and ice, and tour mode option, push to talk, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Hope you guys have a great day.